flash flood emergency. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Colorado County and southeastern Texas, Walnut County and southeastern Texas, southeastern Grimes County and southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County and southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County and southeastern Texas, Austin County and southeastern Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and rain gauges indicate that between 8 and 16 inches of rain has fallen across the flash flood emergency area. Flash flooding is occurring. Additional heavy rainfall is expected. This is a flash flood emergency. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Some locations that will experience flooding include Katy, Tomball, Jersey Village, Hempstead, Prairie View, Brookshire, Belleville, Pinehurst, Attuck, Spartan, The Woodlands, Northern Eldridge, West Oaks, Shelby, Hockley, Waller, Magnolia, Pine Island, San Felipe, Stagecoach, Patterson, and Industry. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Stay off roads in this area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flood emergency expanded to the east. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Montgomery County and southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County and southeastern Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar continues to indicate heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is occurring. Bush Intercontinental Airport is approaching 9 inches of rainfall. Rainfall rates are ranging between 2 to 4 inches an hour. This is a flash flood emergency. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Some locations that will experience flooding include Humble, Katy, Jersey Village, Spring, The Woodlands, Eldridge, West Oaks, Greater Greens Point, southeastern Attuck, Spartan, Spring Branch North, Spring Branch West, Aldie, Wood, Old Edge North, Shenandoah, Woodlock, Greater Inwood, West Branch, Bush Intercontinental Airport, Porter Heights, and Splashtown. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Stay off roads in the emergency area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flood emergency expanded south. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for east central Colorado County and southeastern Texas, southeastern Walnut County and southeastern Texas, west central Harris County and southeastern Texas, southeastern Austin County and southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County and southeastern Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar continues to indicate a band of thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall rates are ranging from 2 to 4 inches an hour. Flash flooding is occurring. This is a flash flood emergency. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Some locations that will experience flooding include northeastern Sugarland, Katy, Sealy, Brookshire, Columbus, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Mission Bend, Southwest, Spring Branch West, Spring Branch North, Spring Valley, Southern Eldridge, West Oaks, Pecan Grove, Meadows Place, Hedwig Village, Fulshire, Simonton, San Felipe, and Leaf. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Stay off roads in the emergency area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.